Ready? A vlog about an American family. We live in Japan. Watch it. Or don't. No. But really. Explosion! Explosion!
You're supposed to eat the apple.
Where is that?
Oh, he's trying. He's trying. Oh, are you showing how you skip? Hey, where's my teddy? Where's my hat? He can hop on one foot. Can you hop on one foot?
Hop, 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 hop.
With those big old shoes, you should be able to hop. No problem.
Just shopping with my mom. Shopping at the local grocery store. Everybody else is in the car. We're here. Got some mapo tofu. We're doing some mapo tofu, so we need a tofu. Goes over rice. Where is it? So I'm in the beer section here at the store. Here's their beer. Check this out. Is that McDonald's on a beer? Some kind of co-marketing there. You hear that music? What song is that in English? Some super famous song.
It's a hymn.
It's a hymn, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't remember. Title,覚えてない。
Wonder what this... He's worried of Jack biting him because when he kisses, he sometimes bites. Jack, say hi. I'm a tough boy.
So we are playing with these little curtains. He thinks it's fun, and he hit this corner. And he didn't even cry, so I didn't think it was that bad until he turned around and it's a huge bump on his head. Jeez, it looks like he's growing a horn.
He is.